How to create a new passkey in the Ring app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then you will see three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Then tap on account settings. Here scroll down until you see an option called Passkey. Tap on it. And after a few moments, Ring will direct you to this page. Here, you'll see a small option called Add a new passkey. Simply tap on it. Then after a few moments, Ring will ask you to verify your phone number by sending a verification code. Fill in the verification code and tap on continue. Tap on continue one more time, then verify that it is you. And from here, you can update your account's information and your passkey. And it is that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.